Hey, what's up? It is Ridda from Make Money Online with Ridda. Today I am going to show you how to make at least $40 online without any investment and everywhere in the world. You just need a computer and an internet connection. That's it. This method is one of the easiest methods that are existing online on how to make money. If you don't make any money from it, you could actually leave with trying to make money online because this is the easiest method on to make money online. I repeat, this is the easiest method. So let's get right into it. The site is called gain.gg. Gain.gg is a site that pays you money just for looking videos, downloading games, or filling surveys. This site is not like any other sites where you need at least 10, 20, or $50 minimum to get a payout. On Gain.gg, you can get paid out for every penny that you have made. You can get paid out in PayPal, OP skins, Bitcoin, Litecoin, CSGO Shop, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. I personally use PayPal because with this method you don't need to pay any fees. So now I'm gonna show you the leaderboards. This person has made $43, this one $28, and this one $26 today. So like by the end of the day, it's like over 5 hours, they will get an extra bonus. This person $5, $2 and a half, and $1. And at the monthly earnings, Della stays at the first place with $324. This person $240, and this person 190. If you use the link in the description, you will get $1 for free. So to check out if the site is legit or not, hit the thumbs up and subscribe so I will show you my main make money online method the next time. Bye.